So, alright guys, I'm trying to come in here now and see if I can get this close enough. Look like I might not be able to. Let me see. Yeah, it might be close enough. I gotta move these blocks around. So I think I wanna, well, for me to get the 455 out the hard top here, I am going to have to sit on this engine stand. I got a couple other engine stands up at the vault, but they're on engines, and so it's just easier for me to do this here. So this is the 455 1970 block, original matching numbers for the convertible. It's got a piston froze up in it. It looks like I need to move this over some, so that side will start picking up first. But when I get to that car, and let me adjust it again. I'm looking at it as it's coming up. So I want to get this, engine block in, get this rebuilt. So we get it up here and move it over, sit it on the ground for now. Alright, this needs to come in a little tighter here. Alright, now let's see what happens here. Well, I wish I had a bigger shop. I'd be moving. I think I spend more time moving stuff around than I do anything. So, here it comes. Alright, let me see if I can pull that all away from that other block. There we go. Alright, I don't need to go up that high with it, guys. Alright, now I gotta figure out where I'm gonna sit this baby at. Alright, I'll be back. Alright guys, so I'm kind of putting up a little sweat here today. But wow, these are some old 350 76 Buick heads here. I got so many sets of heads, don't even know why I hold on to these. I got a couple of sets of Buick heads, guys. 350 Buick heads. If you're in the area, Wisconsin, Illinois, I got some 350 heads that I had done and never used them, never put them on nothing. Well, yeah, they haven't been put on nothing yet, and I don't need them. So if you're in the area and you need some 350 Buick heads, hit me up. We can kind of go from there. See if we can agree on a price, because some of this stuff I just need to get rid of it, because I'm never going to use it. So now this is a 455 well, it says 74 on the head, so it's a 74 455, and I got the heads and everything off, and I was gonna put a new timing. Well, eventually put a new timing chain on it, maybe take it in. I bought some bigger valves, some stage 1 valves to go in here to get the heads redone if I ever get around to it. But I was gonna put this, well, I'm debating whether or not I'm gonna put this in the showstopper or not, guys. So it ran. In fact, I fired it up. I fired it up on the channel here. So she ran. So like I said, I'm gonna see what I'm gonna end up doing with it here. Alright, so it's been covered up. Let me I'm gonna pull both of these out a little ways and before I jack it up. Alright, let me pull both of these out. Alright, so this is the way I put my engines on. Well, actually this is a 75. I see a 5 on here. 75 instead of a 74. 75 455. So I like to have that chain as tight as I can. And this is the way I put my engines on and off the jack stands. And like I say, I got a couple other engine stands, but I really like this one because it's heavy duty. I could put, you know, on that other engine out the Wildcat, it's running good. I did a few videos of me tuning and driving that. So it's not leaking oil anywhere. So I am gonna just paint that engine up. And this is the heaviest duty engine stand that I have. So This is the one that I'm gonna use. Alright, so before I take all of these off, guys, what I normally do is I normally pull my stand off like that, guys. So that's the way I take my engines on and off. So now I can finish taking this on off. So I put them on just the reverse of what you see me doing here. Alright guys, so I'm on put this engine 75, 455. Block right back in this corner back here. It'll be out the way. Not in the way. Till I get ready to figure out what I'm gonna do with the showstopper. Right there. When you sit these engine blocks down on tires, guys, you don't bend the pan. Never hits the pan and dent your pan up, guys. So never sit them on the ground. Always put you a nice fat tire up under there. The fatter the tire, the better. Alright, so next I actually got everything ready to pull the 455 out of the hard top there. So I got the drivetrain off. I got everything unhooked off the engine. I might drop the gas tank out, and then got all the body bolts off. So the frame on the hard top is ready to be pulled. I just got to drop it down and push it back a little bit, and then start jacking it up, guys, and get that body off that frame. All right.